K-1's men 200 meters. It will be the winner and the winner only that goes straight through to the final. The other paddlers will have to paddle again in the semi-final, and we can see the Latvian in lane 2 here, Kaspars TIKLENIEKS and Stelian NAFTANAILA. Now he is the British paddler in lane 3, the 22-year-old. Mechanical engineering is his degree, but he's also training to be a pilot. So he has a busy life ahead of him, but one of his main goals is to make it into that team, and perhaps this is where he starts on his journey towards the 2020 Olympics in Tokyo. We saw there Filip ŠVÁB, very experienced paddler from the Czech Republic in 4. We've got to watch for him. He's been here before. He's been in the final here, in fact, in Montemorovello in the World Cup last year. Through lane 7, the Ukrainian SEMYKIN, and then Janne MÄNTYNEN from Finland in the white boat. Finnish always in their white boats and the blue vests, very distinctive, on the near side of the course in lane 8. So paddlers approaching the start now. You can see the wind blustering around. It's died down a little bit from earlier this afternoon, but still perhaps favouring over the far side of the course, lanes 1 and 2, maybe a little where there's just a pocket, a bit of less wind. But the paddlers have to deal with that. They've got to deal with the conditions that are here and focus on their race, and that's all that's in their mind at the moment, executing their race to perfection.
E temos então o alinhamento para esta terceira eliminatória do K-1 200 metros, com a presença de um atleta olímpico, Filip ŠVÁB, da República Checa, ele que não passou das semifinais, mas conseguiu o apuramento para os Jogos Olímpicos. Saída fortíssima por parte do atleta SEMYKIN, apenas 20 anos, mas para já quem lidera é o atleta da Letónia, Kaspars TIKLENIEKS, ele que foi medalha de prata nos europeus de sub-23 o ano passado, atrás da Itália em K2, com Denis Velkovic. Aqui está ele, pista 2, saída fortíssima e julgo que vai mesmo vencer. Vitória e apuramento para o atleta da Letónia. Aqui está ele. Ele parou um pouco mais cedo do que estava previsto, mas tinha uma vantagem considerável e conseguiu mesmo vencer. Segunda posição para o atleta Filip ŠVÁB da República Checa.
Well, maybe the wind favouring a little bit the far side of the course. Lane 1 there. Got away to a good start. TIKLENIEKS from Latvia. Not the best start, but certainly up there. Good to see the British paddler NAFTANAILA getting away well with the other paddlers, but the Latvian begins to pull away. There he is, a big, strong guy, making the most of that strength, driving the boat forward off every stroke, trying to accelerate off each stroke and making most of the fact there's a little less wind over that side. He will be the one who goes through straight to the final. The other paddlers will have another chance in the semi.
Esta é uma câmara lenta do vencedor, ele que foi quinto classificado no Mundial do ano passado em Minsk, na Bielorrússia, Mundial de Sub-23. Aqui está ele. Foi medalha de prata no Europeu, o ano passado também, no Europeu de Sub-23, atrás da dupla da Itália. Vai ter que ir à pesagem, a equipa de arbitragem a chamar. Público a assistir à prova. 37.628, mais rápido do que, não, mais lento do que a eliminatória anterior. Filip ŠVÁB a 2 décimos de segundo e Ivan SEMYKIN a 9 décimos de segundo do vencedor. Daqui a pouco vamos ter as eliminatórias do K2 500